Hi again and welcome to Link 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Well, authorities in the United States and at the Ventura Sheriff's Department said they have concluded what really transpired to the late Glee actor Naya Rivera. We're about to discuss that on the program. This is the Link 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Well, authorities believe that they have uncovered the truth of what really transpired to Naya Rivera, who vanished last week, Wednesday. So, according to a report coming outside of the United States, police believe that the actor drowned. So, an autopsy issued by the Ventura Medical Examiner's Office has ruled that the actress Naya Rivera died of drowning. The Glee actor's star death was ruled as accident. So the autopsy findings were consistent with drowning, and the condition of the body is consistent with the time she went missing, and no traumatic injuries or disease process were identified in the autopsy, the officers said in a press release. So Rivera, 33 years old, vanished last week from a lake in Peru, in Southern California, Ventura County, and she went to the lake that afternoon and rented a boat with her 4-year-old son, according to authorities. Her son was later found asleep on the boat alone that she rented. Her body was recovered on Monday. Authorities said that there are no indication that drugs or alcohol played any role in her demise. Her body was recovered on Monday morning. Authorities said that there is no indication that drugs or alcohol played a role in her death, but a toxicology testing will be done. This would have went otherwise, and that the family would have had some level of clarity to what really transpired, but it still leaves a lot of unanswered question as to what could have happened to her. The son said once he was over in the boat, and this is according to what the son was able to provide investigators with, is that he saw the mom went under, submerged by the water, and that was the last sight he had of the mom. So it's a sad day and a sad situation coming outside of that department there in the Ventura area in California where this incident took place. And this individual would have rented the boat, and based on the fact that she did not return the boat in time, so the persons that she rented the boat from decided to went for a search. So they went in search of her, and then they found the boat with the child sleeping on it, and she was nowhere in sight. And they have been searching for her for over, or actually a week before she was found on Monday. So it was just 2 days shy of a week because she went missing last week, Wednesday. So you know that the body would have been in a state of decomposition based on the fact that it would have been underwater for a number of days, 5 days to be exact. But trust me, it's one of those situations which we really need to just look into. And the thing about this, I really need to point out as well, it has come to my attention that she's not the first actor to have died from the Glee set. This is about the fifth or sixth actor or actress per se that is taken out by some unforeseen circumstances, which leave a question in the back of my head: what is really happening? So a number of the actors have died so far from the Glee set, and it is said that the day in question that she died was a day as well that it was the same day that another Glee actor died back a few years ago. Is it a coincidence? I don't know. You can just let me know. But as I said, this is the sixth of them, the sixth actor to have been taken out by some means or another, accident or them taking their own life. But I don't know what's transpiring there. It's one of those stations that it just puzzles my mind. But I don't know. So you can just drop it in the comment section. Just let me know how you guys felt about this. Was she an actor you know, was you someone that you relate to? And just let me know. But I don't know, I just want to say condolences to the families and friends of this late promising actress. And you know, she was one of those actresses that really had her A game at what she was doing, and it's a sad situation. And what can we say? It's just ruled as a accident by the Ventura Police Department, or the Ventura's Examiner's Department over there in the United States. But we're gonna leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV Celebrity School. And guess what? We're out for this one once more. Have a blessed and productive day. Peace.